In this video, we'll be discussing the centrifugal separator commonly used in chiller plants. A centrifugal separator works much like a filtration unit. It removes unwanted particles and debris from the circulating water. Since there are no moving components inside, it requires almost no maintenance over time. Additionally, it doesn't rely on filter elements or any electrical power source to operate. These separators are mainly installed in chiller systems to clean the condenser water loop. The condenser pump draws water from the cooling tower and sends it toward the chiller. Before that water enters the chiller, it first passes through the centrifugal separator, then continues onto the chiller itself. Now, let's see how this device functions. But before that, let's go over its main components. Here we have the inlet. This is where the condenser water enters the separator body. Next is the acceleration barrel. It's designed to boost the velocity of the incoming water, guiding it downward in a swirling path. Then comes the vortex plate. It's responsible for generating the spinning vortex-like motion inside the separator. Below that is the collection chamber, where the heavier dirt and solid impurities get trapped. Finally, we have the purge outlet. This is the point from which all collected debris is flushed out of the separator. Now let's understand the working process. When water flows in through the inlet, it's directed downward in a spiral motion through the acceleration barrel. As it travels down, its velocity rises, creating a centrifugal force that separates heavier particles from the water. This force pushes those particles outward toward the separator walls. When the flow reaches the vortex plate, the plate induces a vortex pattern inside the unit. The cleaner, particle-free water moves upward through the center and exits through the outlet connection. That clean water is then supplied to the chiller and later returned to the cooling tower. Meanwhile, the heavier particles that were forced to the outer wall slide down into the collecting chamber. From there, the accumulated impurities are discharged through the purge outlet, which can be operated either manually or automatically, depending on the system design. And that's how a centrifugal separator works. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Intact Knowledge. Thank you.